Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you've hit the thumbnail, then you are here to see what my first Chanel purchase is. No, it is not a bag. I'm not there yet. After a lot of research and reviews and all that good stuff, I decided on a purchase and I'm going to show you guys what I got. So quickly, this is how the box came. Of course, I opened it already. I'm gonna see exactly how it came packaged with you guys. So this is the inside of the box. So it's the Chanel logo and the good stuff is inside this box. I'm gonna take it out. It comes in this clean, simple, minimalistic 8x8 size box. It comes with a little card at the bottom of the box. So this card has your information of your purchase. So this is your receipt and a return slip if you don't want it and want to return it, and a personal note from Chanel. It says all the best from Chanel. So I like this. It's so sleek and so pretty. That's how it came. We're gonna get inside. A little backstory behind this purchase. When I initially set out to purchase from Chanel, I was looking for a fragrance from them because I'm really into perfume. I am into high-end perfume, so I wanted to get a Chanel fragrance. So upon sampling like all of the fragrances, the conclusion was that it wasn't good for my chemistry. When I sprayed on my hand or on my clothes, to me it just didn't last. Like it would basically evaporate. Like I couldn't smell anything because I wanted to make sure that if I was going to purchase a perfume, that it was going to be something that I was going to like and enjoy and was sexy. And unfortunately, it just wasn't the case. So I got the La Creme Main Texture Rich Hand Cream. Now this is a very popular hand cream from Chanel. Like all the bloggers have it, so you know, why not me? But I just definitely, I really decided on this because during the winter my hands get really dry. Last year was a struggle, but I really didn't have anywhere to go last year, so I didn't need like stuff like this. But I wanted to get something really fancy, and the review on this was like it's very moisturizing. Like even after you go and wash your hands will still feel very moisturized with this cream. So I wanted to try it out for myself. So as you can see, this was an unboxing, so I don't know how it feels on the skin, but I will definitely try it. Now this is very expensive for a hand cream that is this small. It's 1.7 fluid ounces, and I really don't remember what it costs, but I'll just pop the price up for you so you guys can see what these cost and all that good stuff. Ooh, fancy. And they say a little bit goes a long way with this, so I won't need a lot. I really like how this smells though. I love it. I love it. I love it. I wish the Chance, I really wanted to get that Chance perfume though, guys. But this smells really nice. Very fresh. All right, and then the next thing that I got was a Healthy Glow Sheer Powder. I wanted a compact that was gonna have the Chanel logo on it because your girl is bougie like that. And when you take it out of the box, it comes with this casing for it. It's like a velvet. It's very nice. And this is how it looks. And I got the Les Beige. I think they only have like about 7 pressed powder shades. This is the darkest one that I got. I got it for mostly in my T-zone area because that area of my face is a lot lighter than the rest of my face. As you guys know, I have scarring and all that stuff, so I need more than powder for those areas. But I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna test it with the brush. The formula feels very smooth with the brush. Now I'm going to apply it. It has a red undertone. I'm not a fan of that, but we're gonna see how it looks. It actually does not show up red on the camera. And of course, I'm quite far away. But your girl's always oily, so a compact was like a no-brainer for me. And you know, just for like days when I need a quick touch up, I have a cute little compact that I could pull out and touch my face up. So yes, this is shade number 7. Like I said, they have like 7 shades and this is the darkest one. I did order these online. I did not go into the store, so just so you guys know. So it took me some time to decide exactly what I wanted and all that good stuff. I was going to purchase a red matte liquid lipstick, but I was unsure at the time and I really just wanted to buy something, so that's what I did. But I do have one of their matte red lipsticks on its way, so I'll probably just do a little post on that on my Instagram, so make sure you guys are following me. But yeah, that is the end of the video. I also have some videos coming up. I want to show you guys my collection of my fragrances while we're on the topic, and I also want to show you guys the luxury items that I do own. A little Gucci, a little, you know, some little pieces here and there. So I'm going to share that with you guys over the course of the next few uploads, so stay tuned for those. And I have some fall looks coming up, so you guys, I have some things I'm trying to get done. Your girl is still trying, and I thank you guys so much for sticking around and watching my videos and sharing and liking and commenting. Let me know in the comments if you guys own anything of a luxury, if you want to see more luxury videos and all that stuff. Okay, let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, comment, share all the goodness, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.